Yo, everybody, how we doing today? Today is today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2026. And I know I don't have my camera on today, but today I just came back from the gym and I don't have a shirt on because I'm about to go to sleep in like half hour and I'm not ready yet to show the physique because we're not where I want to be yet, but I'll give y'all an update probably Friday. Yeah, probably Friday. I'll give you an update. But yeah, let's get into today with this recap. So let's remove these drawings. Let's reload this. Okay, is our target here? Okay, yeah, it is. All right. So going to the day, as we can see, ES was more bullish than NQ was for sure. Um, ES was way more bullish than NQ was. Just when NQ's price action was a lot cleaner. Just one thing. Um, this okay. I just want to get this one thing off my chest real quick. That we moved so many points from here. Like the total of points we moved around what? Almost 1,000 points. We moved almost 1,000 points in total. Oh, actually, we did. This was yeah. This was all fucking yesterday. They just fucking shitting on each other. Trump and Iran. All that news, bro. Fucking hit hella targets, bro. But anyways, and that is the cause of the move. But the only reasonable option today was obviously a short, cause without a retrace, why are we gonna keep pushing higher? Like we have a big ass fucking gap right here. It needs to get orders need to get filled right here in this area in order to move higher. So obviously we need price to move down, slap here before we have any move up. And that that's that and that essentially brings my bias for the day. Uh that that essentially explains why what the fuck? Ooh, it's getting fucking late already, bro. Well, that explains why. That explains my target. Okay. So my target was a gap to get filled, right? So as we could see, let's go on the 5 minute because I was looking at the 5 minute honestly. On the 5 minute. Before I took trades like these before, but anyways, I'll get more into that. As you can see, market open, we were just straight moving down. Like, well, we were kind of chopping honestly. Like, if you look on the 1 minute, we were chopping pretty bad. Like, we had some really nasty candles. That's what I meant. But as you see right here, most if people would have entered on a move lower, it usually happened right here with a nice big stop for like a 101. But 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 would have got stop break even right here. Oh no, that's fucking. Wait, where is the break even point? Hold on, I'm tripping balls. Ugh, man, I'm fucking tired, bro. Is there any internal? Yeah, right here, right here. Let's... Nope, wrong one. Sorry. Most people got break even right here. Let's go back to the 1 minute. Anyways, break even set right there. And obviously, we edged these lows, but we edged the gap before we made a move. Um, move lower. Ugh. Sorry, my fault, y'all. But yeah. Where's the gap before we made it move lower? Honestly, now that I look at it, if I was actually still trading the 1 minute time frame, this would have been my entry. This would have been my entry right here. Stop right there. Target right here. I don't think it'd be the best RR trade anyways. Yeah, it'd be like a 101.5, but it's a 1 minute trade. So, but yeah, obviously in these type of days, you can tell prices are gonna move the cleanest only because how much we moved in the past, right? And my break even would just be this little gap. And then right there, just make me a risk-free trade. Yeah, I know it doesn't make sense. Oh, actually, what the fuck am I doing? Sorry, y'all. I'm kind of learning here while I'm fucking talking to y'all. But anyways, um, this essentially would have been my trade with no break even. Sorry for the misunderstanding. Um, Pretty horrible trade. I don't know why the fuck I would do that, but I didn't enter today. Okay, just letting y'all know I did not enter. Uh, Hold on. Alright, so let me explain my journey, y'all. Going to the day I was bearish. The only reason I say that is because looking at how much price moved last night, we were due for a retrace before I moved back up. The only draw I saw was the 4 hour gap to tap before I move up. I was more open to take this trade on NQ because of how much more cleaner the move was than ES. It never gave me no entries on the 5 minute. Days like today or that we get edged the gap before hitting it would end up most cases getting break even. And then when I meant to go into the day, I was calm waiting for a good entry to the gap, did not find it. Didn't feel no FOMO when we hit it or it kept moving down. Just hopped off when the move I wanted to see got played out. Unfortunately, it was not my entry. And then something that I do notice, not necessarily bad, but now that I'm staying higher time frames, I'm trading a lot less, and I tend to get fewer setups when I see something I want to play out, as well as when I backtest it, same thing. But yeah, that is my journal. This is a really stupid idea. So let's not take those trades, alright? The only ideal trade would be this one, honestly. It would be this trade, but I would get stop break even, which hey, it's okay to get stop break even, but I'm just saying. So that's gonna conclude the recap. Um, yeah, that's gonna conclude the recap for today. Tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow we're good. We will hopefully we don't move much. Damn, that shit price action is just ugly, bro. Oof. Excuse me, y'all. Don't mean to be yawning and shit. Well, let me set a couple targets, bro, cause shit tomorrow might be active. And yes, these are the type of targets I would be going for. How far are we? That's a good question. Oh, yep, those are not getting hit. Okay, anyways, but that's something for tomorrow. But anyways, y'all, fuck with y'all tomorrow. I'll see y'all then. Thanks for watching. Peace out, y'all.